Hello my friends and welcome back. I am coming on to do a layout for the Mercy Tiara Kids Club and I'm using a kit from December 2024 called Happy Home. And guys, it is full of this gorgeous color palette. Like when you first look at it, all I saw was kind of like peach and green. And then I saw like these gold colors and these gorgeous shades of blues, and it went on, and I can't tell you how smitten I've been. So this is my third layout I'll create with it. And I already went ahead and matted this photo with some of the white cardstock that came in the cardstock kit. This is a basil white and it is textured, just so you know. Okay, so this is a picture of Nick, and this is, they decorated their porch of their fabulous home with corn stalks and pumpkins and all the cute stuff. And it's a really cute picture of him and he's doing great things with his house. Perfect. So I pulled that. And then, so I looked at the papers and right away I saw this. I'm like, oh, it picks up the green. That's great. But I really want to use some of this paper because I think it is like, it picks up the tones again. I can go fallsy with it. That's great. I'm like, but the two of them together was too busy. And then I saw this scrap. So first of all, this paper right here is from Echo Park Family. Oh, well, it's the backside. No wonder it matches. We are Family Floral. Let me scoocheroo some of these out of the way while we chat. And then the one with the picture frames. This is Qualled. This is Qualled from the family collection again, Beyond Blessed Frames. And it just gave me such a fab idea. Okay, we have that. And then this paper, it is We Are Family Floral. And that's all I know because, oh, it's the same as this one. Perfect. So I was looking at it and I'm like, you know what? This piece right here really reads as a fabulous little salad. I know that it's a pattern, guys. I know, I am aware. However, it does read as enough of a salad that it can work for what we have. Let me go ahead and get these branding strips off. I did just go ahead and trim a nice little smidge off of that golden mustard colored piece because I resuscitated my trimmer, guys. Pretty big deal. This strip right here went flying when I dropped it. All right, so we have that. I was thinking, oh yes, I was. Which way do the florals go? I never know which way the florals are supposed to go, guys. That's all right. For our purposes, we're going to be happy with it, and that's how it is. So we have that. I was thinking that would be cute. Then my brain was, you know, ooh, yum, look at all these colors. Does that do enough to do anything? Is it distracting? It's a little distracting. I thought I'd go ahead. And I have a show queued up on the old Netflix. I thought I would go ahead and cut out a bunch of these frames because I like them so much that they now have to be a major part of my design. That's why. So I'm going to cut, you know, a good third of them out. And I'm going to go ahead and stagger them along this piece. I know it's nothing monumental, but it seems... well, that's gone. It seems like a good idea. And I will reload my ATG. I've got some ATG tape from the Mercy Tiara Kids store right here. So I will go ahead and load that back up, not make you watch quite possibly one of the most boring things on the planet, watching somebody faff with their gun. Okay, so I have that. I have this. Probably will mat the photo with a little something. Now he's wearing a really dark color, so it might be fun to come in with this. Absolutely. Yes, please, and thank you. This piece right here is also from Echo Park We Are Family, and it is called Family Floral. But love it. I love, like, you start working on a kit, right? The first layout, boom, we've got our sketch from the Kit Club. That's what I like to start with because it kind of directs me and, you know, I get to know what's what. And then once you start having scraps, I like to use up my scraps. So then I'm like, oh, I can pop this scrap on this and this on this and voila, a star is born. That's my whole point. Yes, yes. Okay, guys, I am going to cut out a bunch of those frames, we are going to kind of make a nice little gallery wall. I'm gonna pop Nick's photo mat up just a tiny bit, nice and bold, and he's gonna have his cute little gallery coming down the side. Oh, and then, oh, but wait, you guys, the acrylic this month is the word home, and I thought it was beyond perfect for this photo. Yes, yes, yes. And you know, wouldn't it be cute if it just read, I am home? What? Because we've got these typewriter letters. So if I get my title kind of down and it's in the black, it's picking up his ensemble, right? Let's go like that. I am home. I think this is going to be adorbs. That's what I have to say about it. I am home. Guys, I love it. I'm gonna have the gallery wall coming down, and then we'll just, decorate away with all of our other goodies. So let me watch one of my, mystery shows for a bit and get some of my gallery wall done. All right, let's do our check-in. All of these pieces are tacked down, and I think it's super fun and cute. Cute that we have our nice little gallery. And all of these pieces are popped up on foam. My title is, as puffy as, pretty much it came. So super great there. Now this piece right here, it's a nice little cut apart called the multi-journaling cards. I like that piece too. I'm just finding all these pieces that I like. Oh, like that too. Shoot. I'm just going along on the sheet and finding little pieces that have decided that they would like to be fussy cut out. And so that's what we're doing. So I've got this embroidery hoop. I have a tab. I like these little tab pieces here, which I should be careful because I know I'll want to use this for something later. I like the idea of this little bit getting tucked in there. Cute. We have these pieces, a nice butterfly, and this journaling spot. So that's a start for that. Then, oh, but wait, there's going to, of course, I just looked at this too. I'm like, oh, these are cute. And these are from another, oh, I like those two right. Those are perfect right there. These are cut out from another. Let me see if I have any of it left. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I do. I've used so much. They're from another cut apart sheet. And I'm not doing well finding it. I must have used the other side. Oh, I did. Okay, well, I was using it up, but I did go ahead and fussy cut out tons of bits from that earlier. So I have that. Now, along with my, near cutting disorder, as you can see, chop, 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 I also fussy cut out tons of these gorgeous florals, so they may just end up finding their way into this layout as well, because I do love me a floral. So I'll pop that one there. These here, fussy cut them on, tuck them in, and I'll meet you back here, and we'll see about, after that point, little tiny finishing touches. Where are my puffies? You guys, somebody stole my little puffies. My puffies. I have my confetti mix. We have to look at that. I have more in the package. I just spill it constantly. It's like a weird quirk. I have tons of that, but I do have puffies somewhere, which I will find before I meet you right back here. Okay, so those florals totally filled in all of those little areas, but isn't it fun? The gallery wall is super fun. So the only thing I have left to do, I looked at my puffies and the colors just weren't gonna vibe for this. So I'm gonna just go ahead, pop a few sequins on, and this layout is going to be done, just like that. Super fun to put together, very easy to put together. I mean, it's one of these things when you have a kit that's curated so beautifully, it's like the layouts just jump together, and I love that. Oh, home is where your heart is. I just saw this. I keep looking, even when I'm talking to you, I'm like, oh, let me look at this. Let me try that. So do like to, if I can, to get some text on to little tabs and things. See, I had cut out this maroon little tab from that cut apart sheet right there. So we have that little bit. Let's go ahead and get our sweet little butterfly right back on in that area. So yeah, I'm gonna pop on a few sequins. That will be done. And then, you guys, oh, I gotta stop looking at it because I'm already planning my next layout. I'm gonna have a few still shots to follow, and what else to tell you? I'll have a few still shots to follow. Oh, and I'm gonna have links down below where you guys can get your hands on these kits. They are a dream to work with, a pleasure to work with. I have had so much fun so far putting things together. So guys, I kind of feel, should I put, no, I like it, okay. Is there anything else? Still shots, Oh, guys, pop in to the Facebook group and jump into the sketch challenge. There is a $25 Canadian gift certificate that you can win for the Mercy Tiara Kit store. And is there anything else? I don't think so. I'm gonna keep playing with these kits, a few sequins, still shots, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Let me show you how fun that is, guys. So much fun. Okay, bye for now, friends.